This is a strategy that, again, would be considered gray hat, but it's something that our team uses a lot and sees a ton of success with. Basically, it starts with a marketing insert or a sticker offering a free gift. And on that insert or the sticker, the customer is given a URL to go to. Or like a QR code, basically, that leads to a URL. And from there, that URL would have a funnel connected to it. In the funnel, the first step would be to collect the person's information. So the name and the email is what we generally do. From there, we would give them a free gift, and oftentimes a free gift is just a percentage off. So it's like 10% off, 15% off, something like that. We recommend something that can be delivered to electronically, like a promo code, which I just mentioned, or an ebook, depending on what the product is, of course. And then once you give them the first gift, then you would send them back to Amazon to leave a review. So basically the way this review funnel works is they'll scan the QR code on the sticker or on the marketing insert. And then it takes them to a funnel, basically. And the first landing page is, hey, thanks for your purchase. And, could you leave your name and email address? And then they get kind of taken through the funnel. So not only does it allow you to collect email addresses, which is great, Amazon focused email addresses, but then what it does is it takes them to a page that actually asks them, would you give our product a 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5-star review? And they're either obviously going to click on the 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 stars. If they click on 1 to 3, they're redirected to your website, your company website, that is whatever your company is, threeriverscoffee.com/contact us. So it gives them the opportunity, if they are going to give you less than 4 stars, the opportunity to reach out to you outside of Amazon, so you can get that taken care of. If they're going to leave you a 4 or 5-star review, it will lead them straight to Amazon. So it kind of encourages them to leave you a good review rating. So basically there's a lot of really good things about this review funnel. It works really well. Do any of you have marketing inserts currently in your products? No. Yeah, you do, Chris? Okay. Yeah, that's great. So, basically what you would do then is a lot of times if people already have an existing marketing insert that they put in their product, you could just add this QR code to it and say, hey, thanks for your purchase, follow us here. And then it'll lead them through that review and give them that percentage off. So it doesn't matter whether they're going to leave you a 1-star review or a 5-star review, they still get that free gift. They're still going to receive the free gift. So does anybody have any questions on that at all? Okay. Again, this is a strategy that's worked really, really well for us, and it's been super successful. We have some customers or some clients now who have an email list, who have built up an email list that's, well within the thousands, so that's good too, because it's a growth strategy that we use for email blasts and people who have purchased your product on Amazon.